I believe it is coming of an age of Indian startup ecosystem, technology companies. I believe that India will be successful as a large economy only when we are able to scale financial service deployment of a order of magnitude, bringing these formal services to the nook and corner. India has a smartphone penetration which is growing from 450 million to 900 million in the next 5 years. And this internet user eventually starts to use mobile for some different services. And mobile payment is an anchor use case that would grow from pure 46 lakh crore to 230 lakh crore. We are the two-sided ecosystem. The keyword is two-sided ecosystem, which means that we have consumer and merchant on our platform, and we don't need to use NPCI, Visa, Master, other payment network to make payment settlements. That's an important line item for everyone to remember. Because we don't use them, so our market share of using network, the UPI market share is eventually about using UPI network for the transaction. And because we don't use that, because we have two-sided ecosystem, so we use it only for a fraction when the customer is offers. And that gives us an edge in the business, unlike any other, where we are the largest payment company by user, merchant transactions and revenue. And that is the beauty about being Paytm. And remember, like I told you about, that we have 120 million transacting million users and other side ecosystem of 22 million merchants on our platform. These consumer paying to the merchant, I repeat, these consumer paying to the merchant is 4 lakh crore of GMV on our platform. This is not P2P. This is not P2P money transfer. 4 lakh crore of GMV is a commerce transaction that happened between consumer and merchant on our platform. Now, this payment business grew to financial services that I told you, 65 million payment bank account, which probably is larger than the largest private bank in the country. In the last 12 months, we have disbursed 6.5 million credit or loans to our consumers, obviously from our partner books. So Paytm overall, if you notice, is a payment-led super app offering commerce and financial services as a monetization and scale offering for our customers. Obviously, more than 337 million customers on our platform today. Year on year, we've grown our GMV, which is the monthly payment volume of a quarter based on consumer paying the merchant, from 94,000 crore to 1,95,000 crore per quarter. The scale is incredible and enormous. Remember, this number last year was 4 lakh crore of the year. Now we are doing nearly 2 lakh crore in a quarter. See the growth on the payment business.